Welcome and thanks for joining me for this 10-minute workout for strength, mobility, and core. I'll be using a kettlebell, a 10-pound kettlebell for this workout, but you can use a dumbbell. It works just as well. You're just going to hold the sides for the exercises. I'll give you a few modifications for no twisting if you have osteoporosis, but this workout is, again, just 10 minutes. It's a great add-on, or maybe to do after your cardio or after walk outside. So there's no warm-up or cool down. I will link some in the description box below if you are missing those. Okay, we have a timer. We have 50 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, and I'll show you the next move within that 10 seconds. Just 10 minutes. Let's get to it. The first move is tightening that core, and we pass it around the waist. So we can go ahead and start that timer. Core is engaged. Shoulders are down and back. Working on that core, shoulder mobility. You have a small bend in your knees. All right, now let's switch sides. Rotate the other direction. Also working the chest and the back here. I want you to think about making each move as big as you can, really strengthening and lengthening the muscles for increased mobility. All right, next, one side, we're going to hold it in your left hand. We have a staggered stance, shifting the hips back. We come to a one-side deadlift, and then we row it back. So dip forward and row. Forward, come about halfway up. 80% of your weight is in that front leg, about 20% in the back leg. 50 seconds on each side for this one. And you should really be feeling this in that standing leg, glute and hamstring. Using the core to pick yourself back up. And same thing, other side. Find that stance. Back up on the back toe. Here we go. Spine is neutral. And then pick that elbow up and back for that row. Great, next let's hold it in both hands. And we're going to take a wide stance, toes to the corners, holding either the sides of your dumbbell or in the middle. Sumo squat here, overhead press. Full combination move. Really open up your hips and sink as low as you comfortably can, or maybe a little bit uncomfortably, into that sumo squat here. Knees track in line with the toes. Think about pushing the knees slightly out to the side as you come down. All right, next we have a halo, great for the triceps and shoulders. We go all the way around, and then we twist to the hip for the core, alternating sides. If you've been advised not to twist, go ahead and check out that modification box. You're doing the same exercise, but just dropping the weight to the hip without the twist. Such a great exercise for shoulders, triceps, and core. Okay, coming into a side lunge. So the feet are nice and wide, toes are forward. We lunge side, come forward, upright row. We stay on the one side for the whole 50 seconds here. Go at your own pace throughout this whole workout. As you push up out of this leg, think about pushing the floor away from you. And the hips go back. And your spine stays neutral. And same thing other side. Keep that wide stance and switch hands. This time lunging into the left leg. Let's go. Push away. Then we do the upright row. Make sure that you make the movements their own. So come up first, then row it up. A little trickier that way. You're not using momentum. And remember, core in, hips back as you lunge to the side. One more. All right, coming back into triceps, we're going to take it overhead. So again, holding the sides of a dumbbell if you have it. And I want you to focus here on full range of motion, so really slow and controlled. We go all the way down. And then straighten those arms all the way up. Slow and controlled. You're trying to keep your biceps close to your ears. Or elbows, pointed towards the ceiling. More seconds, don't quit. You got it. All the way down, all the way up. Okay, coming into an arm swing with a little twist. Again, check out the modification box if you're advised not to twist. We're sending the arms in opposition here. So kettlebell is in the left arm. As we pull it back, we twist towards it. Core is super engaged here. Think about tightening, exhaling with every twist. All right, we're going to switch sides. Pull the weight behind you. Oof, well done. Last move. We are going to put it at our sides. If you're able to, we're going to squat down. We rotate, pick it up, and put it down. Again, check out the modification box. Stand up in between, reach across, pick it up, put it down. Incredible move. Functional movement. Being able to reach down and twist at the same time. Again, our core is engaged. We're protecting that lower back. If you can't squat low enough to reach it, don't worry about it. Just go up and down. Or maybe you want to set it on 2 small tables at your sides so you can more comfortably reach it. Make it work for you. Excellent. Such incredible movement. Woo! Okay, man, that went by fast. If you want a longer workout, please do another set, or maybe even repeat it twice for a full 30 minutes. Proud of you. Good job. And again, remember to stretch and cool down afterwards. As always, thanks for working out with me, and we'll see you next time.